Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome to Top Express. My name is Austin. Man, just let's just take a very good look at the chart, and at the same time, I'm gonna tell you guys why the chart is not looking good. And at the same time, as we wait for the CPI report, the chart is not looking good for me. So, guys, just have it in mind that if we have anything below 7.9 or 8.1, the market is going to dump. Anything below that, the market is going to dump. But for what has been happening yesterday, I don't think we're going to be having anything nice. But at the same time, there's always ways to make profit out of the market. You see what happened the other time. As soon as the inflation report was announced, you see what happened. As soon as Fed announced their report, you see what happened. The market went high to 20 something and then came back below to 18 something and then came up again to 19,600. Basically, a lot of people still not to understand Bitcoin. Satoshi Nakamoto designed Bitcoin to beat inflation. That was the main reason of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was actually designed to overcome inflation, was actually designed to help the people save their money when inflation comes. Bitcoin was designed to help the people that save their valuable assets when inflation comes. When inflation hit the world, that was the main purpose of Bitcoin. But as time goes, the government wants to be in charge of everything. The government have hijacked crypto, want to make it their own. That is just the reason why you see anything that happens today keep affecting the market. I remember back then when there was no USDT, when there was no USDT pair, there was no USD pair in the market. It was just you exchange your Bitcoin to Ethereum, you exchange your Ethereum to BNB, you exchange your Ethereum to Cardano. There was no USDT pair, there was no stable coin in the market. It was stressful, but the market was a kind of favoring us. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. The market was a kind of favoring us, but these days, the government just want to regulate and be in charge of everything. So it's beginning to affect the crypto market so bad. But what I can see on my chart right here, I still believe that if the inflation report do not favor us, it's going to affect both the dollar market. But recently, I know the US has been working so hard to make sure they reduce inflation. Even France has budgeted over 10 billion to 10 billion pounds to help fight inflation, to help provide food for the citizens. So I believe we're going to be dropping as low as a 1,100 and something, or possibly see 17 today. But if it favors us, guys, the reverse might be the case. You see, as this candle reverse, we may be seeing even 19,800 or possibly see 20. You see, as the candle reverse, so that is how this arrow reverses. That is how the market is going to take us, guys. But if it doesn't, let's just for now, I will advise everybody should put stop loss and take profit on all their market, because the market might just choose to do what it did the other day. It might just come down to this point of 18,100 or 18,200 and then fire up back again to either 19,800 and then reduce back again. So just take profit and stop loss on every trade that you are right now. I do live trade, I do not do a record trade. So if you could clearly see on my chart, right there, the market on the hourly time frame, the market is dropping. It is dropping. So I do believe that this is going to be our first target. The market is going to come down to this point of 18,800. This is going to be our first target if the market is dropping before the inflation report, or possibly this point of 18,900 might hold the market. But if it doesn't hold, that means the market is going to come down. This point of 18,900 should hold the market for now. But if it doesn't hold, just have it in mind that the market is going to come down to this area here, this area of 18,800 and 60 something. So this is where our target should be on the market right now. This is where our target should be on the market right now, because the market is not really giving us what we want to see. I believe this was supposed to form a bowel and an uptrend, because the falling wedge has been on. So we've been having a lower high, and then lower high. We are supposed to start having the higher low, and then at least see something out of the market, because there is a high volatility in the market right now. There's a high volatility in the market right now. So let's just take a very good look at the daily time frame, because as of yesterday, the market was bullish on the daily time frame until there was a time the market pumped to 19,200 and for something dollar. I did took profit at that stage, but did not short the market again, because I can't just be following the market the way the market is. Guys, we know what this is playing out. For those of us that are used to the chart, whenever a particular support zone is failed to broke and a particular resistance is failed to broke, which is a supply zone, you know what that really play out at the time. So I do believe this market should be seeing us above this point of 19,700 today. If that is what the FEC is going to give us, I believe this market should be seeing us through this point today. That's what I believe the market should be giving us today. So at the same time, as I said, let's just take a very good look at the daily time frame, and then we could really see the chart very clear from that point. So from this point of 19K, we could clearly see on this daily time frame that this chart, the candlestick is very close to this point of 18,800 than it is close to this point of 17,400. Sorry, to this point of 19,400. So this market should be testing this point of 19,900, or sorry, 18,800 or 18,700 before the inflation report will be announced. The market should be at this point of 18,800, or possibly come up to 19,200 before the inflation report will be given, because this is the daily time frame. So guys, this is just what I just want us to be in mind. Like I've said, put stop loss and take profit on all your markets, on all trade that you are. Rich Quack did a lot of pumping yesterday, and I've taken profit. I put stop loss and take profit on the remaining funds I have there. So do same to all your trade while we wait for the inflation report, because it's going to hit hard this time around. If it's pumping, it's going to pump hard. If it's dumping, it's going to dump hard. Imagine we dumping back to 17,900 or 18,100. That would be way too low. So guys, just keep an eye on the market. We're going to keep each other informed. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are coming to meet the channel for the first time. A lot of people have been saying good about our channel. My analysis has been coming out well. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys, and use our Bybit link so we could keep us moving with the partnership that we have with Bybit at the moment. Thank you guys, and see you in our next video. If you have any complaint, chat me up on Twitter or use my Facebook page and chat me up. I will always reply to all your comments. Thank you, or do drop a comment on the bio at the same time. Whichever way you could reach me, there's a lot of ways to reach me. I will always respond. Thank you guys.